Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Velodrome. So usually what happened in the past is that whenever aerodromes pumps, Velodrome usually follows. So if we look here, the aerodrome basically it came out back in September 2023, and that is when the hype for the base was not there, as you can see here. So we look at from 2024. So these are the three major pumps for the aerodrome, as you can see here, back in April 2024. After that, December 2024, and this is back in May 2025. So same thing is happening with the velodrome as well. So this is when the velodrome start to pump again right after aerodrome's biggest rally, I would say. And same thing happened back in December as well. So this is following the same pattern. So if we look here, this is the exact same thing that happened in May, as you can see of the 2025. Now I did make a video on the aerodrome could actually go up, and it did. When I made the video, it was trading somewhere around 62 or 63 cent, and after that it saw a massive rally, and it actually ended up hitting 86, which was a major move, as you can see here. And now the velodrome has yet to follow this. So first of all, the biggest news for the aerodrome was that the Coinbase will be enabling users to access and trade millions of assets on chain, basically starting with aerodrome or Uniswap itself. So this should in theory increase the demand for the aerodrome's tax. So that means because of that, aerodrome actually saw a massive pump, and it started to pump in that hype, as you can see here. Now we have one major news for the velodrome as well. So this is that the Optimism Collective is putting its 35 million VE Velo to work and actively participating in the economic engine of the superchain to grow and strengthen the entire ecosystem. So now, so what I think it means that they just locked more Velo tokens. So that means the demand for the Velo should see a good growth, but again this is not that much. So even if we calculate the increase in a 15 million, that's like I think 73k or something like that in a dollar amount. It's not that high, but again I think this should in theory increase the hype for the velodrome, and velodrome should see a recovery, at least a small recovery like the aerodrome. So it is actually trying to follow the footsteps of the aerodrome. As you can see here, it did actually start it has finally started to go up, as you can see. So as of now it's in the correction. I think as aerodrome is again going up, I think there is a high chance that the velodrome will do the same. But again, of course, it may not be a full move, but I think it will most likely be a pretty good move if it happens. But it is unclear whether it will do that or not, because the Bitcoin as of now is highly volatile. Again, let's look at its TVL. So its TVL did go down, as you can see here, and as of now, if we just try to have a look at it, so it is actually supporting a lot of chains, over 11 super chains on the OP stack. As you can see here, we have Unichain as well as Superseed and a lot of them. So they are doing a pretty good work when it comes to the integration. So as soon as Velodrome's ecosystem grows even more, I think it should actually impact the demand of the velodrome itself. But at least on Optimism, it has started to recover, as you can see here, from the 13th June, as you can see. So overall, I think we can expect a pretty good move if aerodrome's pump continues, and again seems like that it will continue. So let's have a look at its price action, or where the token is headed. So if we look here, it was actually making new lows since June, as you can see here. So this was a move, and now it is most likely holding this trend line as a support. As you can see here, we have a touch here and here. So this pump should in theory continue at least till, I think, if we look here, so it should actually continue to go and follow this trend. So we could actually end up hitting 5.3 cent, that is a possibility, or if it goes above this level we could go higher, but seems like that this is a level that it will most likely play out, but again it is unclear. But I think if it goes above this level we can actually go as high as 6.2, and if it continues to go up we may go as high as 6.3, and again if the move continues we can actually go at as high as 8.3. but if we look at the AERO's market cap, it went from, let's see, it went from 453 million to as high as 700 million. So that is a massive increase of, I think, 200 million. So if we look at Velodrome's market cap as of now, it actually was around 44 million, and now it's only up to 43 million. So that's just increase of 2 million. So I think it can actually go as high as 53, which is going to be around, I believe, 50 million or something like that. Again, I think the coin does have a potential because of the growth of its ecosystem, but it has had its up and down, as you can see here. So Sonimium actually ended up losing a lot of TVL, going from 15 million to as low as 9 million, and we don't have any other super chain coming up. So the token, Velo itself has had some problems in the past because of its demand. The demand is just not there. So if it follows, as of now, if it follows Velodrome, I think we should actually go at least as high as 5.3, and if the demand continues to go up we can actually go higher than that. So I don't think that we have anything else to cover for this coin. Again, they are doing a lot, as you can see. They are pretty active on their platforms, and as of now they had, okay, so I don't think that we have anything. So we have this, I think, okay, so I don't think that we have anything else to cover, but I think it should follow Velodrome. It should start now if it wants to follow it. Again, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.